welcome to my first unboxing video. And today we're going to unbox Stanley's SC16 1600W circular saw. Okay, so let's start unboxing. I chose Stanley because of affordability and good review, and I'll be using it on my DIY woodworking projects. First in the box is the user manual. I bought this one from a hardware store inside the mall, though I got it for a discounted price. I think it's much cheaper to buy it online, like in Lazada. Just make sure you get it from a legit seller. So included in the box is the blade. It's a 7/1/4 inch 24 tooth TCT blade. Next one is the T-guide. And finally, the saw itself. I can say that the weight of this tool is just about right. It's not too heavy and not light as well. It has an aluminum lower guard, and the cord length is 4 meters. Comes with an Allen wrench. This can be used when changing the blade. I will now try to install the blade. As mentioned earlier, the package comes with 7/1/4 inch 24 tooth TCT blade. I also bought another blade, which is a 60 tooth for a finer cut. This model already has a rubber handle for better grip. With its powerful 1600W motor, grip, cross, and level cutting will be a breeze. It's now time to see this power tool in action. I believe this has 65mm maximum depth of cut. And that's about it. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button to get notified.